In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch a meme coin on two different methods. And the first one is a very simple method and probably not the best method if you want to make a lot of money, but I'll just show it for the video's sake. First of all, you want to go to pumfat./create and you want to log in and click here on create new coin. You want to type in your name. This can be anything, something related to Elon Musk or Trump is very often something meme related, and those do very well. You can do, I don't know, test meme coin, let's call this. We'll do a ticker, let's do the test meme, that is our ticker. You want to add a description, and description, this can be whatever, and you want to just maybe add a meme picture of something, and then you can click create coin, and you can choose here how many Solanas you want to throw in the coin. I'll just throw 0 Solanas in it, and then this will be launched on this DEX. But there's also the Radium DEX. And the Radium is a lot more trustworthy DEX. And what you want to do is to go to coinfast.fun. To create your next meme coin, you want to click here on token name, and you want to do whatever coin. I'll just do Trump memecoin, and like that. You want to choose a token symbol. This is the ticker. After this, you want to throw in some, I'll just throw in one of my old videos, and then you want to click to next. In decimals, you want to select 9. This is very important. And in total supply, you want to check 1 billion. And you can either count it to make sure 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. You can go down here, it will still say 1 billion. Or you can do it down here with the commas, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Then you want to add a description for a token. This is your description. This can be whatever you want. This is my coin. Feel free to support my project. Something this, you can add whatever you want down here. The more quality you put in here, the better your coin will do. So I'll just click on next right here, and then you want to add your website if you have this. Normally, if you launch a meme coin and you find a meme, the first one to launch something with meme related, this can be whatever. As you can see right here, just want to go in and copy maybe an article. Most of the time it's an article. I'll copy it and paste it. If you have a Twitter community built around your coin, you can paste in your Twitter. If you have a Telegram for your coin, you can paste in your Telegram. Or if you have a Discord community for your coin, you can paste this in. And down under here we have the modify creator information. First of all, this is an additional level up. It costs 0.1 Solana. But this, if you want to be trustworthy, this is very good. You can add your creator name. If your creator name is something else than your coin, you can add this right here. Then if you have a creator website, for, if you have multiple coins, you can maybe have a website, you can put this in right here. This is also very good, very trustworthy, and it will make your meme coin pop off. I'll just click it off for now. And then we have the revoke authorities. And first of all, we have the revoke freeze. And the revoke freeze, as it says right here, allows you to freeze tokens of holders. So that means if my friend buys my meme coin, I actually have the ability to freeze his holdings so he can't sell. That's why I want this to be selected, because that will make it more trustworthy, then I can't freeze my friend's tokens, so he can sell no matter what. That's why I want to select it. After this, we have the revoke mint. This means that you can't print more money or more meme coins. The total supply is 1 billion, and you can't just make it 2 billion if you want to. That's why I want this to be selected. This one is more of an maybe. This will make sure that you can update. The other way around. And that's why I want this selected. After this, you click on create token. It will come up with some numbers for token address, and you want to go here onto liquidity on Radium. Want to click here on create liquidity pool. Want to click continue, and then you want to type in the numbers that you just got. And after you have gotten this, you want to select your fee tier, and I normally keep this around 0.2%. 2%. And that's the fee you take for a transaction. And after this, you can create it. When you have created it, after you have created it, it will appear it normally takes around 5 minutes. And then all of the liquidity will appear here in your portfolio. You can actually see how much of this meme coin that you own. And for an example, we can go on in here, and let's just select these off and click apply. And now we only scan for the ones here on Radium. So for example, you can see right here that we have a Coca-Cola coin, a lot of coins right here. And as you can see right here, they can link their Twitter, they can link a website. It's a lot of different opportunities for them to do. And they are making, so you see right here, a new one just got made, and it has 1K in initial liquidity. As you can see right here, it has the Trump fight meme, and it has another one in here. And let's just have a look at this one. Oh, there's no data right now, probably because it's too new. There's a lot of new ones coming. And as you can see, all of them start rising very, very quickly. This one's up 30% already. Yeah, and that's how you launch a meme coin, and you can become unbelievably rich if you know how to do this the right way.